5309 Herford. It is just not very often that you see deals like this. They have dropped the price to $729,000, which, do the math on this, it's not very often that I talk about price per square foot, but that drops it under 150 bucks a foot. This home is in a wonderful neighborhood. It's Heritage Park. They've got a community pool, they've got little parks. It's next to one of the city's biggest parks, Heritage Park. It is an almost 5,000 square foot house. It is 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and we're talking full baths. It's got a 2-car garage. It has formal dining. It has a media room. It has a game room. And then it has this really special Texas basement. This is just a wonderful storage area. It's upstairs. It's this giant closet that's not associated with any room, where you can store luggage or just supplies, whatever you want to do with it. It's a wonderful space. This home was built by Marten, so it's foam insulation. It's just a really efficient home. You guys have got to take a look at it. Like I said, we just don't come across deals like this very often. So please come see 5309 Herford Drive in Sachse today.